Alright, so this is a regular old charge cable that came with my phone. And it has a USB-A and a USB-C on the end there. And I'm going to plug that into my tablet. So it's plugged into my tablet from my output port. Now I'm going to power up. And I'm just going to select the Ignitron and nothing, no connection. Now I'm going to disconnect that same cable, plug in an extension cable, a bunch of different extensions. Hold on. Alright, so sorry about the poor video, but now I have the same exact cable with a USB-C going to a converter to USB-A, then a USB-A to a jumper USB-C. And I'm going to plug that in. Now it's plugged in, and now it communicates with the ECU just fine, with all the additional adapters. Why the heck is that? Just can't believe it. Alright, so watch if I disconnect it again and disconnect all this other cabling. And plug in just the regular cable. No communication. Tell me that isn't weird.